Cut the music. This candle is for all Goa. To everyone who has contributed in this hour of greatest need. My friend Vishwajit, thank you for what you have done. You have worked really tirelessly as the Health Minister of Goa. Our CM, the bureaucrats, Chief Secretary, especially all the doctors, the nurses, the staff, GMC staff, all other doctors. Hats off, my dear friends. You all have kept Goa safe. It is time we Goans light this candle in your honor for the efforts that you all have put in and the sacrifice that you have done. Let us endure to keep Goa COVID-19 free. Thank you.